I try to get you some video of this going on, and I'll flash that right here. But sadly, I didn't get the sparks today like I was getting the other day. And I think one thing that really stuck out, because the other day I was getting hit hard, but it was also super cold out. It was on the order of like 0 degrees outside, which doesn't mean it was 0 degrees in here, but it brought the whole humidity and everything down. So I think that had a big thing to do with it. But I'm not getting them this moment, so sadly I can't show you how bad it was, but I can show you the thing that I implemented so that I don't get shocked anymore on the 1x30 when I'm grinding knives. What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 56 of the Thursday Night Grind. It is February 4th, 2021, and in this video I just want to show you something real quick that I've done in my shop that has helped me out, and I hope that it can help you out as well. And if you have experienced this before, you know what I'm talking about. We are grinding a knife and on a 1x30 or really any power tool, and the static builds up and then it jumps and you're part of the path, and it can be really disturbing. Sometimes it's like noticeable. Sometimes it's like, you know, something you want to stop. So I want to talk quickly about what the way I see what's going on there, and then what I've done to correct it. First thing, like what's going on is the motion between the belt sander and the knife is building up static electricity, and it builds up enough potential so that when you get close it eventually jumps. So I just want to mention that, because what I did try to do was ground the frame of my 1x30 to the stand that it's on. Like, you can't see that, but it's on a stand right here. In fact, I'll show you. To the stand with a little jumper cable. I'll show you that. I got this from my electrical toolkit. This is just a simple cable with 2 alligator clips on it. Okay, so that didn't do it, right? Connecting that to, because it wasn't the issue. The issue is the static building up between the knife and the machine. So what I needed to do was somehow connect the two electrically. The first thing I did was take this and just wrap it around myself with 1 alligator clip, and then ta-da, and then put this one on the frame of the machine, and that worked great. But this is clumsy, right? So I was like, all right, there's a better solution. Here's what else I did. I reached out to the community of people that I'm with, and that is twofold. That is, one, the Guild of Professional Sharpeners, and Doug has been particularly helpful there. And I also shot it out to my email list, and I got some good feedback from that as well. This is the best solution that I've found, and I'll include a link to this in the description below. But there's a couple factors of this thing that I really like. First off is that it has this stretchy cord in it, right? So like, that's just kind of nice. Like, it's not like that one was all over the place. The other thing that I really like is that this wristband is stretchy too. And I think like Doug was mentioning, his was Velcro, and the stretchy part is better. Here's the thing though, well, you might be inclined to like put it on your wrist like it's designed. What I have found to be a little bit better is I just palm it like that on my left hand. This hangs down, alligator clip to the frame of the machine, and it has been pretty much not a problem, right? I still have pretty big reach out to other stuff that I'm working in the shop. When I just take it off, I hang it up when I'm not using it. I'll probably find another hanger for it, and going forward, I'm only going to put it on, like I'll take a pass, I'll get a shock, and I'll put it on, and then the shock goes away. So anyway, the description, where I got that is down in the description of the video. That's it for tonight. I hope you found that helpful. That's how I'm managing the static shock on the belt sanders. If you found that helpful, and you realize that like having a group of people to bounce questions off when you come across anything going on in the shop, whether you're knife sharpening or in a business, if you're trying to monetize it, then you would begin to understand the value of having a community, and the best community for that is the Guild of Professional Sharpeners. You can learn more about that at guildofsharpeners.org. Thank you so much. Happy Thursday Night Grind, and I will see you next week.